And welcome to Naughty Notes. Thanks for joining us for this construction. This will be a compass construction which will give us a reflection of this triangle ABC across this axis, which is the line K. Now I wrote out the steps here in case you want to write them down, and I wrote them out for point A here. So we'll go nice and slow. You notice this is in your textbook, and read the notes here, and under this video you'll see where to find it. I'm going to get right to it. Put the needle on A, and I'm going to swing a random arc. Not too big, not too small, just right. Now that random arc intersects this line 2 points. I'm going to name those 2 points. Only here. I'm not going to name any more points after this. R and Q. 2 points of intersection that are both equidistant from A. Well, that's how this works. Because now I'm going to take my compass, I'm going to reposition it. Needle on R, one of the intersections. It should already be gapped to A, but I verify that and I swing it this way. How far? Well, at least far enough that it's through where I anticipate A prime. I'm going to flip the compass around, stick the needle on Q. It still passes through A, it swings through A, and I swing like this, and happens to Murgatroyds, you see that I've generated an intersection without any measuring. Now, this is classical geometry. Green and orange intersect where? At A prime. That is beautiful. So, let's clean this up a little bit. Take these, move my compass, and I've just got 2 more points to go. You know, I think I'm going to do C next, just to mix it up a little bit, because C is farther away from the line of reflection or axis of reflection. I'm going to use a bigger gap. Now, I'm trying to pick a gap. Yeah, let me see. This, again, a random gap. It's going to generate 2 points. I've got a point here, and I've got a point of intersection here. Okay? I'm going to put the needle on one of those points. It should still be gapped to C. Swing it way over here, way over there where I expect that other intersection to be. Well, then I'm going to put the needle on the other intersection, swing it this way through C, and look at that. Just like before, we have a beautiful intersection. Oh, and I noticed some of you have all 3 of these arcs intersecting at one point. That's pure coincidence. It really matters where these 2 arcs intersect. If all 3 intersect, you know, don't panic, but it's not bad. It's not necessary, though. And let's just mark that with point C. Okay, golly, we're almost done. Just one more point. Let's put the needle on B, swing through my red line, and again, I'm generating 2 random points. I got a point here, I got a point there. Beautiful. So, take my compass, and again, I put the needle on one of those intersections, swing it back through B, and up this way. Nice. Flip the compass around, put the needle on this other intersection. I'm still swinging it through B. And there you go. I've generated the last of the 3 intersections. And we'll call that one B prime. Ooh, B came out big. And I'm going to put away my compasses because we really don't need them anymore. All we've got to do is connect the points. It may look confusing, but well, take your straight edge and connect them. No, it doesn't look so bad at all. And if you really want to see it jump out, maybe add a little light shading, and there you go. You've got triangle ABC reflected to its image across the line K. Beautiful. Now get that done and turn it in. And thank you for watching Naughty Notes.